Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best flashlight light in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. Anker Rechargeable Boulder LC40 Flashlight, LED Torch, Super Bright 400 Lumens CREE LED, IPX5 Water Resistant. 5 modes: high/, medium/, low/, strobe/SOS, indoor/outdoor, camping, hiking, and emergency use. Super Bright JK 400 Lumen CREE LED, 50,000 hour lifespan. A compact yet radiant flashlight to illuminate any dark spot, space, or place. Features high/, medium/, low/, strobe/SOS modes. Long-lasting, up to 20 hours, medium beam mode. A powerful non-diminishing brightness from the included premium rechargeable 3,350 mAh battery. LEDs boast an extended 50,000 hour lifespan. Recharge in 6 hours with a 5V1 adapter, not included, and the included micro USB cable. Tough and reliable, IPX5 rated. Designed for almost any conditions, from heavy rain to dry and dusty environments. Its durable aluminum body and shock resistance endure rough handling. ESE2 Dry IP. Lightweight and easy to carry around, the anti-slip finish holds fast in your hand during extreme conditions. Number 4. Streamlight PolyTac X Multi-Fuel Professional Tactical Flashlight. No standalone lithium batteries are sold with the product. Removable multi-position pocket clip. High impact, super tough nylon polymer with rocky stipple texture for assured grip. 10-tap programming allows the choice of 3 programs. Uses rechargeable Lite-ion or CR123A included. The 600 Lumen PolyTac X USB flashlight, built for durability and assured grip, is a complete rechargeable system that includes Streamlight's 18,650 USB battery with an integrated micro USB charge port. It also accepts 2 CR123A lithium batteries. This multi-fuel innovation ensures you'll always have a beam when you need it. The PolyTac X USB 600 Lumen tactical flashlight can use either a proprietary Streamlight 18,650 USB rechargeable Li-ion battery or 2 CR123A disposable batteries. Number 3. Lumen 500,897 P5R Rechargeable Professional LED Torch, black, 12.3 x 2.6 x 2.6 centimeters. As pleasing on the pocket as it is to the eye, the P5R is equipped with an energy-efficient LED and a rechargeable Li-ion battery plus rapid, advanced focus system optics and smart light technology. Engineered with the finest industrial components, including an aircraft-grade aluminum housing and gold-plated battery contacts. This is a torch that will last and perform to the highest standard for many years. It comes with a mains/USB floating charge system for wall-mounted or on-the-go charging. It allows the entire torch to be put in the magnetic charge housing, upon which it will appear to float as the battery life is replenished. Number 2. Fenix PD36R 1600 Lumen USB Rechargeable LED Tactical Flashlight with EdisonBright Charging Cable Carry Case Bundle. USB-C rechargeable for fast, reliable charging. Battery level indicator displays current charge level. Dual switch operation makes use convenient in all situations. High capacity battery for long run times. More compact and more powerful than its predecessors. Charge in 10 minutes for up to 5 hours of illumination. Durable anodized aluminum body construction. 2-way pocket clip for flexible gear mounting options. Includes PD36R LED flashlight, ARB AL21 5000 rechargeable Lite-ion battery, USB Type-C charging cable. Number 1. Energizer LED Flashlights TAC 300 Pro, IPX4 water-resistant flashlight, ultra-bright and durable, belt clip, batteries included. PolyTac GT. Take this Energizer TAC 300 tactical LED flashlight when you need a compact, lightweight LED tactical flashlight with exceptional light output. Includes CR123 lithium battery, rugged instruction, an aircraft-grade aluminum body, holds up under tough conditions for dependable use as a battery-powered flashlight. Ideal for projets and outdoors. This tough Energizer handheld flashlight is great for outdoor use, DIY work projects, and a top pick for emergency flashlights. 3 Lite modes. High, low, and emergency strobe modes provide adjustable light and deliver a wide, powerful beam of 300 lumens in high-definition vision. The lithium battery flashlight includes an Energizer CR123 lithium battery for lasting light.